today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to add two or more positive and negative integers. So here we have a few integers here that we have to add, and they're a mixture of positive and negative numbers. So let's go through each step. So add two numbers at a time. So add 1 and 3. We could start here. We could add those two. Very simple to add. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we bring down the rest of our expression, okay? So now we need to add the next two numbers, which is 4 and minus 15. So don't panic. So what you could do to add these is to picture a number line in your head. So picture a number line, okay? So we're going to actually have a number line instead of thinking about it in our head. So here we have our number line. And so we can start at minus 15, okay? Usually you start with the bigger number because it's easier. So start at minus 15, which is here, and then you add 4 to it. So when you add, you go this way on the number line, right? So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you end up at negative 11 right there. So now we're left with negative 11 plus 10, okay? So we do the same thing. We add negative 11 and 10, and we could use the same number line. We could start at negative 11 where we're at right now, right here, and then we add 10. When you add 10, you go this way on the number line, and you end up at negative 1, and that's the answer. So don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.